How to install N8N locally. In this video, I'll show you how to install N8N locally on your computer so you can run automation workflows without relying on the cloud.
Installing N8N locally means it will run directly from your own machine, giving you full control and avoiding monthly hosting fees. First, make sure node.js is installed in your system. You can download it for free from the official node.js website, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. After installing node.js, open your terminal or command prompt. Use the built-in npm tool to install N8N globally. This makes N8N available system-wide. Once installed, simply run N8N and a local server will start. You'll see a link in the terminal that leads you to the N8N editor in your web browser. This setup is great for learning, building, and testing automations in a safe environment. You can connect your local files, databases, and APIs to N8N and experiment as much as you want. The only limitation is that the automation stops when your computer is off. And that's how you install N8N locally.